Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to get rid of blank rows. Say for instance, you have received from someone this piece of information, a table that has your customer invoices payment, due date, invoice amount. Unfortunately, the way it's been given to you, there are some missing rows. So the blank rows, there is no information there, and basically they're useless, and you just need to get rid of them to be able to manipulate the rest of information, the good information. So the way to do this, you first need to select the whole range of data that you want to manipulate, and so here I've done it. And then you press F5, which presents you with the option of go to, and what you want to do, you want to click on special, and then onto blanks. There's an option here that says blanks. So this, by clicking OK, takes you to state where Excel has selected all the blank rows for you, and the next step to delete them is to go Control-, and as you can see, Excel says, okay, do you want delete? And Shift cells up, you click OK, and there you go. All the blank rows have been deleted, leaving you with a table which is only the information that you need. And with that, you are able then to do whatever you want to do with it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.